Let IAA advance your career in the internet industry. We're excited to be running the IAASysters Program, where we provide 10 sponsored attendees with a tailored workshop that builds critical soft skills and helps women to plan and advance their careers. The program also includes attendance of a technical conference that provides industry training and important networking opportunities.
I first heard about IAASysters at OSNOG 2021 and thought it was a great initiative to encourage women to become more involved within the community.
Meeting the other women in my industry and enhancing my skills sounded like exactly what I needed at that time.
Biggest thing for me was being able to go meet so many people who were really in places that I dreamed of being, learning about how they were progressing in their careers.
I'd say that it is a great experience, that you'll have a couple of intense days in which you will meet other women that also have an interesting journey in the industry.
These sisters welcomed me with a warm smile and a huge heart, I would say.
They had some different people come in talking about presentation skills, talking about public speaking, different things like that.
During the conference, you'll have the chance to listen to other people that are working with cutting-edge technologies. Some others are working on interesting projects.
Use the time to learn and network as much as you can and be open to any opportunities that come your way.
I think we're all powerful and we can make a huge impact together.
The IAASysters Program is open to all women residing in Australia who are working in or towards a career in the internet industry. Find out more about how you can apply or nominate an IAA sister or sponsor the program today. IAASysters, supporting women in the internet industry.